Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers with a high of 70 and a low of 57.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.